of content is booming. Let's just say it that way. The business of content is booming. With internet and social media and streaming and all these things at our fingertips, it's easier now more than ever to start a business centered around curating and creating your own content. As the demand for content is picking up, if you have a specific subject area or a topic of expertise, or even just, you are known to be someone who's very fashionable or knowledgeable about something, you can create a space where you're putting that content out there. And this can lead to you having a loyal following. Everybody wants to have that big, ginormous following, that 10K following, and you're able to make a lot of money from monetizing your content and building an audience. So let's look quickly at some ways that you can monetize your content before we bring in our guest experts. I wanted to just, stimulate the thought process, help you to think about ways that, maybe you're creating something new and you're not really sure if you can make some money off of it. So I'm gonna, spark the creative juices out there. All right, so the first way is direct advertising. This is where you're able to share content and you're making money based on ads that are displayed while you're sharing content, right? So case in point, you're on YouTube like we are now. YouTube will be placing ads throughout the content. You're able to get a share of that as a content creator. So that's one of the ways. Maybe you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you're thinking about going on some other platform. You're able to make money from that platform hosting ads while your content is being displayed. Or you can choose to host your own ads. You have your video, you put your own ads there, and you're able to monetize that way. Another way is that you could choose to get sponsors or sign up to be an affiliate for another company. When you're a sponsor, you're making money by talking about a specific product, or you may even feature someone else's content for a fee. Or you can choose to be an affiliate where you are helping to sell a product and you receive some commission in exchange for doing that. Another way is that you could sign up and create a subscription service. So maybe, you're putting out content, you have some videos, probably you're dancing, probably you're sharing some educational information, and you have people paying you a monthly fee to access that content that you create. This is usually some form of exclusive content. I've seen people talk about OnlyFans or something like that. That would fall under a subscription type service. Or someone who is in like a membership course, like My Money Squad would be an example of a subscription service. Persons are in there and they're getting, my squaddies, some of them are on tonight, big up yourself, they're getting regular information around investing and market occurrences, and they're able to get that exclusive information and utilize it because they're in the money squad. So that's an example of a subscription service. Another way, of course, is to have a paid course. This is you taking all your content and packaging it into a nice online course that you charge a fee for. So you can have a particular specialty and then you pump that information into a nice packaged course, and the person will have to pay you to access that course. So that's another way as well. And of course, you can also think about consulting. So maybe you're offering virtual consulting or one-on-one consulting. Persons can consult with you by the hour. You charge an hourly fee to talk with persons, or a monthly fee to talk with persons. Of course, with consulting, it takes a little bit of extra effort, but it can be highly profitable. So I hope this